Namaste everyone. Welcome to Samskritasri Pathamala 3 first session. Welcome to everyone. Let us start with the prayer. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guro bravimi samskritam vacha dhyayami samskritam hृदा kurve sevancha kayena vande samskritamataram yo naras samskrita vyomni hyalayam ramate muda samskritim chaiva samskaram vindate natra samshayah. Hi, I'm welcoming everyone to today's session, Sanskritasri Pathamala 3. Let us introduce the teacher of the course, Srimati Deepa Rangarajan Bhagini. She is a chartered accountant by profession and she has been pursuing Sanskrit passionately since 2017. Completed several informal Sanskrit exams, including Kovida exam of Samskrita Bharati and 8th level of Samskritasri Pathamala series. And Deepa ma'am is continually engaged in learning and improving her knowledge and is currently a student of Srimati Dr. Soumya Krishnapur. Learning from her the basics of Paniniya Vyakaranam through the course master the basics of Paniniya grammar through Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi offered by vyoma-samskrta-pathasala. And let us know how to join the class. Like all of you know, like you need to go to our web page sanskritfromhome.org and you will be logging with your credentials and directly it will take you to the students dashboard. There you will be going to your course and whenever you want to join the class, there will be a the live once teachers start the class, you can see the join now button there, then only you can join the class. And webinar guidelines are like you will be having raise hand option, Q&A and mute unmute options, and better if you use headphones with mic for better audible experiences. And for any questions and doubts, you can email us for sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in. And important note, please close all the other apps that use internet in mobile and browsers or PC or laptop that are open before logging into the online classes. Dhanyavadaha, and I request all of you to attend the class regularly and get benefited. Thank you. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Namaste everyone. Welcome you all to the first class of Samskritasri Pathamala 3. We are all very excited to start this, the third level. In today's class, we will just begin the third textbook of the Pathamala series, and then we will also try to discuss Pathamala 2, the question paper of January 2023. We'll begin with a prarthana. Shuklam Varadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vikhnopashantaye Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnuhu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Jnananandamayam Devam Nirmalas Bhatikakritim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Upasmahe Saraswati Namaste Stuvena Pustakadharini Hamsavahanam Arudhe Vidyadanam Kurushvame. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Let us begin with a prarthana on invoking the blessings of Goddess Saraswati. It is a very popular shloka. Saraswati namastubhyam varade kamarupini vidyarambham karishyami siddhir bhavatu me sada. So, does anybody want to try and explain the meaning of this shloka? You can raise your hand if you would like to do so. Sri Ranjani, you can unmute yourself.
Ram Ram Bhai.
Rama.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Happy to welcome you.
Same here.
Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupi. Saraswati, hey Ma Saraswati, I bow to you. Varade Kamarupi.
So namastubhyam. So do you know how to split
To
this?
you.
Namaha and tubhyam.
Tubhyam, to you.
It has become namastubhyam.
Namaha.
Yes.
Varade Kamar. Give me boons. Kamarupini. The one who gives all wishes.
So Varade is one who gives all wishes. So Varam Dadati iti Varada, because we are talking about Saraswati. And the first word Saraswati, if you notice, has a Rasva Ikara. It is because it is in Sambodhana.
Sambodhana.
We are referring to Saraswati. Hey Mata Saraswati, Namaha Tubhyam. I bow down to you. Varade, this we are calling her as one who gives all her, fulfills all our wishes. So Varade. Kamarupini means one who can assume any form. So Kamam Rupam Asyaha Asti. So she can take any form she likes. So she is Kamarupini. Vidyarambham.
Vidya Arambam Karishyami. I am beginning my studies. Siddhihi Bhavatu me sada.
Very good.
Always let me achieve always.
So let me be successful. Siddhihi Bhavatu. Me is Mama me.
Mama.
So just let me be successful always. That's what we are praying to Goddess Saraswati. So the Sandhi padas are Namastubhyam, Namaha and Tubhyam. Siddhir Bhavatu, Siddhihi and Bhavatu. Samyak. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you. Dhanyavada.
So let us begin with the first shloka in Pathamala 3, which is in Padyani. So this is about the sun. Udeti savita rakto rakta evastameti saha sampattaucha vipattaucha mahantas tulya saubhagaha. So the Anvaya is like this. Savita. Savita is the sun. Savita raktaha udeti. Saha raktaha eva astam eti. Mahantaha, which means great men, sampattau vipattaucha, in both good times and bad, tulya saubhagaha, they are always equally cheerful. Actually, the tulya and saubhaga should be together. Tulya saubhagaha. It's one single word, so I will make that correction. So the pratipadartha is like this. Udeti is rises. Savita, it's a rikaranta shabda. Savitri. And the Prathama Ekavachanam is Savita. Sun. Raktaha is red. Astam eti, it sets. Sampattau, in prosperity. Vipattau, in calamity. Mahantaha, so this is Mahat Shabdaha. Mahan, Mahantau, Mahantaha. So Prathama Bahuvachana. Great men. Tulya Saubhagaha. Tulya is equal, so they are equally cheerful. Saubhaga, Subhaga, it comes from the word Subhaga, which means they have all the good Aishwaryas, or they are always cheerful. So there is always a connection between being cheerful and being prosperous. So, Tulya Saubhagaha, irrespective of the situation they are in, they are equally cheerful, is the meaning. Just like the sun, which is red both at the time of rising and setting, great men are also equally happy. So it talks about the equanimity. Now let us see what the Sandhi Padas in this shloka are. So this is the summary of the meaning. The sun looks red while rising and setting. Great men too are equally cheerful during prosperity and calamities. The first one is Rakto. As I told you, it is the word Raktaha, which has become Rakto. It is followed by a soft consonant Repha, which is why it has become Rakto. These rules of how the Visarga becomes O, we will learn in the Sandhi lessons, which is, we will be learning them in Pathamala 3 itself. So we will see that soon. The second Raktaha, the Visarga has elided. So that it has become Rakta. Rakta eva astameti saha. It sets being red itself. So Rakta eva astameti saha. Raktaha plus eva plus astameti. And then Mahantaha tulya saubhagaha. Mahantaha, that Visarga has become a Sakara. Mahantas tulya saubhagaha is nothing but Mahantaha tulya saubhagaha. Okay. So with that, we will quickly go through what we did in Pathamala 2. Adhita Vishayaha. First, we learned some Rikaranta Shabdas. We learned some Samanya Rikaranta Shabdas. Mata, Pita, Bhrata, etc. Then Swasra is a Strilinga Rikaranta Shabda. It has a speciality that it gets a Dirgha in the first 5 places. So Swasa, Swasaro, Swasaraha, etc. Napta, Naptaro, Naptara. There also there is a Dirgha. So the main thing that you have to notice in Rikaranta is whether in the first 5 places you see a Dirgha. Usually the first Prathama Ekavachanam, there is a Dirgha. In the rest of the places, you need to be careful whether there is a Dirgha or not. Then we saw the Trijanta Shabda. So Trich is a Pratyaya which is added to a verb to generate the meaning of the person who is doing the action. Like Kr is to do, whereas Kartri is the person who does it. So the Trijanta Shabdas also we learned under the Rikaranta Shabdas. So with this, the vowel ending, the vowel ending Shabdas were completed, and we also started Halanta Shabdas in Pathamala 2. The first ones that we learned were ending with Chakara, Jakara, and Takara, like Jalamuch, Bach, and then Bishaj. These Shabdas we learned. Then under Takaranta, there were 4 types. Marut is one, where you just have Marut, Marutau, Marutaha, and so on. In Pachat, which is nothing but a Shatra Pratyayanta. Here again, you add a Shatra Pratyaya to the verb. So in Pullinga, it is Pachan, Pachantau, Pajantaha, and so on. Then Dhimat Shabda. So one who has intelligence, dhiman. So dhiman, dhimanto, dhimantah. So this is one variety. In mahat, it is mahan, mahanto, mahantah. There is a dirgha in hakara for these for this shabda. Then we learned dakaranta shabdas like suhrid, and then dhakaranta shabda like kshudh. Then in verbs, we learned lang lakara, which is the past tense, which we commonly use in the language. Vidhiling is one that denotes a possibility of a future happening or an action. It also denotes an order or something that must be done. Rit lakara is the future tense. Ring lakara is the conditional mood. So if something had happened, something else which is associated with it would have also happened. So by using the ring lakara, we imply that something did not happen for a reason. Then we learned visheshana, which is adjective. So visheshana padas and visheshya padas, the nouns which are qualified and the adjectives which qualify them. Then we learned sankhya, numbers, which is also a kind of visheshana. Then we learned some bandhuvachaka shabdas, which is relatives, and then avyayas. And we learned two pratyayas, ktva pratyaya. These are both krit pratyayas, ktva and tumun. So the other pratyayas which I spoke about, which are added to verbs, are also krit pratyaya. So if a pratyaya is added to verbs and it is not a ting pratyaya, it is a krit pratyaya. So ktva and tum. So ktva indicates two actions which happen one after the other, and the same person does it. So one person completes an action and does another, we use ktva. And the same person, in order to do an action, does an action before that, we use tumun pratyaya. Then we learned upasargas, which are added to dhatus, which either change the meaning of the dhatus, which enhances its meaning, or it can also give an opposite meaning. So upasargas can do these things to any dhatu or action verbs. Then we saw some subhashitani, padyani, and we saw many parasmaipada dhatus in Pathamala 2. Now let us see what we will be learning in Pathamala 3. Briefly, we will have an overview. The first lesson itself is on subhashitas, padyani. Then we are going to learn nakaranta shabdas. There are many types of nakaranta shabdas. We will be learning most of them. Then in this level, we are introduced to atmanepada dhatus. So far, we have only seen predominantly parasmaipada dhatus. Now we are being introduced to atmanepada dhatus as well. Then in dhatu rupas, we are going to stick to the lakaras that we learned already. And just one more lit lakara is being added in this level. And the upasargartha, as a continuation of learning the upasarga and how it is combined with various dhatus to give different meanings, we will see, and we will also see their usage in sentences. Then we are going to start sandhi. Ach sandhi is nothing but the vowel, how two vowels combine in sandhi is ach sandhi. Visarga sandhi, we saw in the shloka how visarga takes different modifications when combined with different letters. So that is visarga sandhi. And here we are again going to continue the sankhyas that we were learning. Then to put all this into use, we are going to see many anuvada abhyasas. So practice for translation, and we have Abhignana Shakuntala, which has excerpts from the main Abhignana Shakuntalam work of the great poet Kalidasa. Here the Sri Radhakrishna Shastri Mahodaya has tried to adopt most of the words which Kalidasa has used, but in a simpler form in our textbook so that we can use it as a translation. It is again a translation exercise, like Anuvada Abhyasa. But it is interesting because it is in a Nataka form. I'm sure you're all going to enjoy learning this. Okay. So now let us look at the question paper of January 2023 of Pathamala 2. I hope many of you had taken this and you're eagerly awaiting the results. It is expected anytime. If you would like to attempt answering this, you can raise your hands. Anne-Marie.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Nice to see you again.
Same here. Nice to see you all again. So the first one was, I think, translate into Sanskrit. Who is that girl?
Ka sa balika.
Sa balika ka. You can put it in any order. Yes.
This pen is in my hand. I don't have the paper with me. Esha lekhani. Esha lekhani. Mama haste asti.
Samyak. Esha lekhani mama haste asti. Lekhani is striling. Yes.
Striling. Where did Rama's father live? Rama's father. Ramasya pita kutra avasat.
Samyak. Ramasya pita putra avasat. This is lang lakara.
Is he studying well? Kim saha samyak pathati.
Padhati. Saha samyak padhati va अथवा किम सह सम्यक् पठति द्वयमपि साधु एव.
This is my yellow dress. I think pitambara is a masculine. Eshaha mama pitambara vastra asti, something like that I wrote.
So ambaram itself is dress or a cloth which is used for covering. So here we can just say vastra. So
Vastram.
etat, because vastram is napumsakalinga. Etat mama pita vastram. Or if you're saying it as a single word, you can say pita vastram. Or if there are two different words, you can say pitam vastram.
Pitam vastram. Okay. Yes.
Etat mama pitam vastram.
5, 6 playing objects are here. Atra panchashaha. I forgot the word. Kridanakani santi.
So panchashani it should be, because it qualifies the kridanakani, which is napumsakalinga bahuvachana. So
okay. Panchashani kridanakani atra santi. At that time I wrote correctly but now I forgot some words.
No problem. We are here to revise, and once we start revision of third level, we'll definitely recollect what we learned in 2. Don't worry. Samyak Bhagini. Dhanyavada.
Thank you. Dhanyavada.
Padma Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Namaste.
I kept the book there after reading. Aham pustakam pattitva aham pustakam pattitva
There.
tatra
To keep or to place.
Trying to recall.
Asthapayat. Sthapayati is to place. Nikshiptavati or so here we can say asthapayat or sthapitavati, sthapitavan, whatever, depending on the gender.
Okay, past tense, sthapitavan.
Past tense, yes. Asthapayat is langlakara. Aham pustakam pathitva tatra sthapitavan, sthapitavati.
Krishna should say the truth. Krishna satyam vadet.
Samyak, vidhili. Vadet indicates something that should be done.
I am opening the school gate. Aham vidyalayasya dwaram vyayachami.
Vyayachami, udghatayami. Both are okay.
Udghatayami. Okay.
You can say both. Vyayachami is also right.
I'll see the doctor. Aham bhishajam drakshyami.
Samyak. Aham vaidyam drakshyami bhishajam. Both are okay. Vaidyaha, bhishak, both are doctors.
Okay. Horses are running fast. Ashwaha vegam dhavanti.
Vegena, vegam, both you can use.
Both
as
are
a kriya vishek. Both are correct.
Okay.
Ashwaha vegena
dhavanti. Lion is roaming for drinking water. Simha jalam patum charati.
Simha jalaya or jalasya panaya. Or jalam patum is also correct. Tumun pratyaya is used for the purpose. So both are correct. Here we have used the chaturthi. Or we can also say jalartham bhramati. Charati, bhramati, both can be used.
Okay. Simha jalaya panaya bhramati.
Jalaya or jalasya panaya. So if you take as the drinking as the qualification for the water, then you can say panaya.
Okay.
Samyak. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
So here we have to translate into English or your mother tongue. Amita Bhargava.
Ram Ram Bhagni.
Ram Ram. Namaste.
Namaste. Vishwamitraha Ayodhyam Agachat. Vishwamitra went to Ayodhya.
Came.
Yes, sorry. Came.
Oh.
Agachat. Came. Gachat would be. Agachat would have been.
Agachat is went. Agachat is came to Ayodhya.
Saha balabhyam saha gramam gamishyati. He with students, with boys, went to the village. Girl student.
Gamishyati is will
go.
Future.
Will go to the village.
So balabhyam can be both boys and girls. So for bala also it is balabhyam Balaha also it is balabhyam. So we can say either boys or girls. That is fine.
Shvashuraha jamatre upadishati. The father-in-law advises the son-in-law. Data daridrebhyaha dhanam yachati. The giver,
the donor or giver,
gives money to the needy.
Needy. Samyak. So data, do you recognize what word this is? What shabda this is?
Datra.
Datra shabda prathama ekavachana. Samyak. Daridrebhyaha is in which vibhakti?
It is bahuvachan, fourth.
Fourth. Samyak. So when the act of giving is involved, we use the fourth vibhakti. The person to whom it is given is in the fourth case.
Aham pita pushpaihi malam karomi. With the yellow flowers, I will make garland.
I make a garland with yellow flowers. That's it. Samyak Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. There is one more. Okay, somebody else can start here. Anybody else would like to try? Janvi. Janvi Satish.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Namaste.
Balikaha patitva agachanti. So the boys.
Balika.
Okay, sorry. The girls come after reading.
Samyak. The girls come after reading. You can continue these.
Sahasnatum nadim gachati. He goes to the river to bath.
Bathe. Or to take bath.
Dhiman chhatraha paritoshikam labhate. The clever student gets a prize. Dvitrani pustakani sa nayati. She takes 2 to 3 books.
Samyak.
Aham pashubhyam grasam aharami. So I bring grass for the 2 cows.
Samyak. I bring grass for the 2 cows or animals. Pashu can also mean an animal in general.
Ishvarat jagat udbhavati. So the world originates from God.
Samyak. Just a second.
Jagati nadyaha vahanti. Jagati nadyaha vahanti. Okay. So the earth bears the rivers.
Sorry, the earth
Bears the rivers.
bears. Oh, okay.
Bears.
So Jagati is which vibhakti? Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti, right?
Yes. So is it Jagati, Jagan?
You can tell the full shabda.
Saptami vibhakti.
So can you tell the full shabda?
Jagat Jagati Jaganti Jagat Jagati Jaganti Jagata Jagadbhyam Jagadbhi Jagate Jagadbhyam Jagadbhyah Jagatah Jagadbhyam Jagadbhyah Jagatah Jagatoho Jagatam Jagati Jagatoho Jagato He Jagat He Jagati He Jaganti.
So Saptami Ekavachana. Jagati in the world.
Nadyaha
On the earth.
on the earth. The rivers flow.
The rivers flow
Okay.
in the world.
So Vahandi means flow. Okay.
Vahati, flows.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyavada. So we have to match the Visheshanam with the Visheshyam here. Talita Bhagini.
Namaste, madam. Very happy to see you.
Ram Ram. Same here. So there are about 5 Visheshana padas. They have to be matched with the Visheshya padas.
Okay. Raktani Phalani.
Raktani Phalani.
Purnam Sthalam.
Purnam Sthalam.
Andhaya Naraya.
Andhaya Naraya. Which vibhakti is this?
4th.
So what is the Prathama?
Andaha Naraha.
Andaha Naraha. Andaha Naraha.
Chatvaraha Vanaraha.
Vanaraha.
Sorry, Vanaraha. Monkeys.
4 monkeys. Yes.
Vitrebhyaha Dinebhyaha. 2-3 days.
So Vitrebhyaha Dinebhyaha is which vibhakti?
Vitrebhyaha Dinebhyaha. 5th.
Yeah. So since 2-3 days, or it can be for 2-3 days. So it can be both 4th and 5th.
4th and 5th.
The forms are also the same. So Vitrebhyaha 2-3 and Dinebhyaha days. So Uttamam Bhagini.
Thank you.
Next is, so we need to give the meaning and write a sentence. Kanupriya. Bhagini, can you attempt?
Good evening, ma'am. My first class, Namaste, Ram Ram, Namaskara. So I'll take time to come to Sanskrit. I've just started revising my basics because I really want to learn it. But to pull together sentences, maybe next time I'll be better off. I'm practicing it.
Sure. If you want, you can attempt and we can help. Or if you want to do it some other time, that is also fine.
But I'll try and form some before I embarrass myself here. So I'll do that. और मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन था, वो जो आहारामी वाला सेंटेंस था ना,
आहारामी,
हाँ, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, फर्स्ट वाले एक्सरसाइज में पशु घ्रासम आहारामी,
yes.
So you said that I'm bringing the grass to the animals, right?
Yes.
So is aharami is ahar, so the root word is ahar?
The root is hr dhatu, harati.
Which means
and
to bring.
aharati is to bring.
Okay. Okay. Yes. And I was connecting
so
it.
Aharati can also mean to eat or to consume. So
right.
Aharaha. So
but in this case,
depending on the context, we can use the word. The meaning
all right. All right, thank you. But I cannot attempt exercises. I cannot attempt to speak, but I'm happy to attempt exercise.
Definitely, please do.
Sure,
so the first word is Jay.
Okay, Jay. So apashyat, I'll be a little upside down. So apashyat is lot lakar, past tense of
apashyat is it is lang lakara. Yes, it is past tense, but it is lang lakara.
Lang lakar, okay. So lang lakara past tense of to see. So I saw basically.
Yes.
And not I saw. It should be what? Apashyat. So apashyat. So this is the he saw, right? Third person.
Apashyat. He's
Third person
That's
singular.
right.
Third
Prathama
person
Purusha.
singular.
Yes.
So Saha Pashyat Falani. He saw fruits.
So Saha Phalani Apashyat. He saw fruits. Fine, that is good. Any other thing you would like to attempt?
Purastat. So what is the so Purastat is again past tense?
No, Purastat is it is an avyaya. So it means in front of. Puraha, Purastat.
So okay. So this is what, fifth vibhakti, apadam?
It is an avyaya. It is not in any vibhakti.
So I'll pull out of here.
Okay. Good attempt. Dhanyavad. Not a problem. You should definitely try more, and that will encourage you to learn more as well.
Sure. I'll do that. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Anybody else would like to try? Urmila.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram, namaste.
Namaste. I did attempt the first one. I'll go with the second one. Purastat.
Okay. Sure.
Purastat is in front of.
Yes.
My sentence is Alayasya Purastat Udyanam Asti.
Samyak. Alayasya Purastat Udyanam Asti. Yes.
Okay. The next one is Apashyat. Apashyat is she, it saw.
Yes.
So okay. Prakashaha Chandrastam Apashyat.
Chandrasya Astam, is it?
Yeah. Chandrasya.
So Chandra. So
Chandrastam.
There should be a dirgha. Chandra Astam Chandrastam. Chandrastam Apashyat.
Chandrastam. Okay. The third one, Amlaka Plani is Amla fruits, which is gooseberries.
Yes.
Okay. Aham Bahavaha Amlaka Phalani Krinami.
So here Amalaka Phalani is in which vibhakti in the sentence you used?
Amlaka Phalani is Bahuvachanam. Dvitiya Bahuvachanam.
Yes, so it is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Samyak. So Jayet, can you make out which link lakara it is in?
Jayet is must be past tense. Jayati. That must be Ayajat. Jayet. Is Vidilhing. Vidilhing.
Yes.
Jayet. How do I put it, Jayat?
Who should win or who has a chance of winning? So when there is an uncertain future or there's something to be done, we use vidilhing sentence.
That's right. What can I say? The Raja in the war, I forget the word.
Yuddhe.
Yuddhe Jayet.
Samyak. So Veeraha Raja, you can give him a qualification of Veeraha Raja. Yuddhe
Jayet. Thank you.
So might win. There is this is one of the meanings. Might win. Veeraha Sainikaha Yuddhe Jayet. Purastat, in front of. You got that right? Puroho Purastat Sarve Tushni Tishthanti. Apashyat saw Anjaneyaha Lankayam Sitam Apashyat Amalaka Phalani gooseberries. Amalaka Phalani Swasthyaya. Swasthyam is good health. Swasthyaya. Chaturthi. Swasthyaya bhavati. Samyak. Very good effort.
Thank you. Thank you. Dhanyavada.
There are more words. Kai Krishnamurti Mahodi. Okay, Krishnamurti Mahodaya.
Yeah, I will tell for Ram. I will tell for Mahataha.
Sure.
Mahataha is big, mighty.
Yes.
Alpasya cha vastunaha jagat eva adaraha.
Can you repeat the sentence?
Mahataha alpasya cha vastunaha jagat eva adaraha.
Samyak. So in this Mahataha, it's in which vibhakti that you have used?
Is in yeah. So this is this will be Prathama vibhakti.
Mahataha alpasya cha. So you have used two words. So alpasya is in which vibhakti?
Alpasya will be in Shashti vibhakti.
So Mahataha is also in Shashti. So of the great and small things,
right? Yeah.
The earth is the basis or the foundation.
Yeah.
So of, it means it is in Shashti vibhakti. Mahataha. So Panchami, Shashti, Dvitiya, Bahuvachanam, everything will be Mahataha. Samyak. Anything else you would like to try?
No, ma'am. Thank you. Sorry.
Not a problem. Dhanyavada. Priyadarshini Bhagini.
Namaste.
Priyadarshini.
Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste. You would like to try anything of these four?
Actually, in the exam, I did not do this, but I was doing the previous Padamartha Vakyam that I have the options. May I say that?
Which one? The previous one, is it?
Jayet, yes. The Jayet.
So we already have completed that. If you can try any of these, do you know the meaning of any of these?
Yes. Saritam means Nadi.
So Sarit is the Shabda. Sarit is a Strilinga Shabda. Saritam is in which vibhakti?
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Samyak. Dvitiya ekavachanam.
Dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam.
So what is the meaning?
Aham Saritam pashyami.
Aham Saritam pashyami. Samyak. So it is river. Saritam pashyatu. Sorry. Mahataha.
Mahataha vyoma-samskrta-pathasala mahataha shikshakaha cha shikshikaha pathayanti.
So this is which vibhakti?
I'm sorry. This is a Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Yes. So what will be the form for Prathama Ekavachanam? In Pullinga, Mahat Shabda, can you try the Prathama Ekavachanam? I mean Prathama Vibhakti, all three Vachanams?
Mahat, Mahatau, Mahan, Mahantau, Mahanta.
Mahan, Mahantau,
Mahan.
Mahantam, Mahantau, Mahataha. So this Mahataha can be Dvitiya Bahuvachanam, or it can be Panchami Ekavachanam or Shashti
Ekavachanam.
It's okay. So it means great. Asmin pustakalaye mahatah granthan pashyamaha. So here it is in Dvitiya Bahuvachana. We see great books or big books in this library. Buddhimati.
We can say Granthalaye also, right? Pustakalaye.
Pustakalaye, Granthalaye. Both are. Yes.
Okay. Buddhimati. Guroho Buddhimati Avashyakam.
Buddhimati is one who has intelligence or one who is intelligent, and it is
One who is
Strilinga.
Buddhimati
is an ikaranta Strilinga Shabda.
One who has the intelligence.
Yes.
Aham Buddhimatim.
So you can use it only in the same vibhakti.
Same vibhakti. Okay.
So it is in Prathama. Aham Buddhimati Asmi. You should have the confidence to say that. Yes. Okay. So
Bhavati Buddhimati Asti. That would be correct.
Buddhimati Asi. So,
Asi.
Asti. Sorry. Bhavati means you will get only the Prathama Purusha form. So Buddhimati Chhatra Varshikotsave Gayati. Okay. Saikatam is sand. Saikatam is sand. Sikata is sand. So Saikatam is a sandy place basically. So Kinchit Saikatam Kupyam Sthapaya. So Saikatam, place it in a cup. So it is an instruction given to somebody. Uttamaha prayatna bhagini. Dhanyavada.
But I did the another option there.
Oh, there you were given an option for this. Okay.
Okay. So that in the exam I was doing the other option. I have the sentences with me. If you allow me to say that, I can tell.
No, we just completed that. So we will progress with the question.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. Okay, we'll stop here. There are some questions, I think. I will take them first. Kridanakani. Should it be Kridanakani for question 6? I think it was Kridanakani. I'm not sure if there was any mistake in that. I'll check it again. Simhaha Panakaya Panakam Vane Atati. That is also correct. Balabhyam means 2 sons, 2 boys. Kridanti Vastuni. I didn't get that. Esha Mahila Buddhimati Asti. That is a correct sentence. So, in that case, Lata Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Lata. That's right. Will Sarita follow the Shabda root of Lata? No. Sarit is a Takaranta Shabda. So it is Sarit, Saritau, Saritaha, Saritam, Saritau, Saritaha. 4th and 5th, Bahuvachanam. Correct. Instead of originates, I wrote arises. That is also correct. Anne-Marie Bhagini, I didn't get your question.
Instead of Kridanakani, I've checked my paper. I wrote Kridanti Vastuni. So I was asking if it is wrong.
Kridanti is, it's a verb, isn't it? So it doesn't take the noun form.
Okay.
Kridanakani is a plaything. So Kridanakam. Kridanakam, Kridanake, Kridanakani.
Okay. Thank you.
We'll proceed. So write the Shabda Rupa, isn't it? I'm able to see the question. Just a second. Write the vibhakti rupa. Marut, prathama bahuvachanam. Anybody would like to try? Other than those who have already tried. Radhika Lakshmi Narayan.
Marutaha.
Just a second. Prathama bahuvachanam. Maruto, marutaha.
Marutaha.
Netra pullinga dvitiya bahuvachanam.
Netarau.
Dvitiya bahuvachanam.
Netaraha.
Netara. Netrana. So this is dvitiya bahuvachanam. So neta, netaro, netaraha, netaram, netaro, netrana. Because it is pulling. So if it was strilingam, it should be netra. First of all, it should be netri ikaranta shabda. Sorry. Yes.
It could be like swasra, like swasa also.
Swasra is by nature a strilinga shabda. Whereas netra cannot be a strilinga shabda. It can only be a pullinga or a napumsakalinga shabda. Netra, netrani, netrani, or neta, netaro, netaraha. If it is strilinga, trich prantayanta becomes ikara. So netri, netryo, netryaha. It will be like nadi shabda. Asmat panchami ekavachanam.
Asmat.
Mat.
Asmat.
Mat.
Asmat.
Mat.
Mat. It's just mat. Yes.
Okay.
Mat. Twai.
Twai.
Yushmat saptami.
Twai. Twai.
Yes. Twai is saptami ekavachanam. Samyak.
Mat. Okay. Right. Mat.
I request that others please keep yourself muted because it will be a disturbance for the others. So when somebody is answering, so just give them an opportunity to answer. Again, write the vibhakti rupa. So can you make sure that everyone is muted, please? Thank you. Dhiman, Tvitiya, Dvivachanam. Anybody else who has not tried so far would like to try? Krishna Veni Bhagi.
Dhiman, Dhimantau.
Dhiman.
Dhimantau.
So here it becomes a haraswa. Dhimantau. Dvitiya, Dvivachanam. The second vibhakti. The first one is Dhiman, Dhimantau, Dhimantah. Dhimantaha, Dhimantam, Dhimantau, Dhimataha. So it is Dvitiya Bahuvachanam will be
Dhimantau.
Dhimantau. Sorry. Pitra, Saptami Dvivachanam.
Pitari.
Dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam. Pitrau. Pitroho. Sorry. Pitroho.
Pitroho. Nadi, Sambodhana Prathama Bahuvachanam.
Nati. Nati. Rasvam.
So it is Bahuvachanam. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyah, isn't it? So Prathama,
Nadyah.
Sambodhana Prathama in Bahuvachanam will not change. Nadyah.
Bahuvachanam, I didn't see it. Padanti, Shashti, Vivachanam. Padan,
So
Padanti.
Patanti is
Strilingam.
Strilinga. Ikaranta Strilinga. It is like
Yes. Shashti. So it is like Nadi Shabdam. Nadya, Padantyaha.
That is Ekavachana.
Shakti Dvivachana. Nadyo. Patanti. Padantyoho. Padantyoho.
Samyak. Padantyoho. Uttama. Dhanyavadah.
No, that is not. Hey Nadya, I have written only this Sambodhana Ekavachanam instead of Bahuvachanam.
That's okay. Nadyah. So only in the Ekavachana the Rupa changes. In any Shabda you can see, it will not change for the Vivachana Bahuvachanas. Uttama. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah.
So let us stop here. The time is up. I'll just check if there are some questions which are unanswered and then we will recite the Shanti Mantra. Asmat dual or Panchami. I think I will check that. Asmat Panchami Ekavachanam is given. I am not sure if the question paper had a different thing. Idam Lekhani mama haste asti. Lekhani is Strilinga, and since it is in Prathama Vibhakti, it should not be Lekhani. So Esha Lekhani mama haste asti should be the correct thing. So okay, somebody has just tried to answer. There are no other questions. Okay, so we'll stop here with the Shanti. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadah. Vilam.